All right, so Jack really likes doing metal art because he's got his big brother to look up to who makes this kind of stuff. Don't move it. Video it. Put it over. So Nicholas here made this out of a bunch of random pieces. You can see the bearing. This isn't really what our channel's about, but our little guy Jack's fascinated with welding, and welding definitely carries over into restorations because basically everything we do any sort of restoration on, we have to do some kind of welding. This is not real. This is just a piece of artwork. This piece here is a socket. This is a piece off of a monkey wrench. These are files, obviously spark plugs and motorcycle chain. There's a head trimmer piece back here, a pipe with some holes drilled, a bearing. This is a motorcycle part here. This is a bearing, wheel bearing, I believe.
You always have your ass hit, sorry, oh, I legit. Okay, it's gonna be a body of what I don't make there. The old ad tank.
Alright, let's pull it out. It's gonna be a little tricky. Alright, so what are we doing today?
We don't make a little butter pattern.
A little spark plug person. That's awesome. Jack's learning how to weld. This isn't his first rodeo, but
Can you help me?
he's still learning. Big bro here.
Big body.
Helping him out.
I don't know how you had that on there.
You have big shoes to fill to try to make metal arts like your bro, right? Nick's made.
I don't want to check the A.
What size shoe do you even wear?
You say I know check A.
You don't know stuff like that?
Then I had to take it. I don't even know how to take it.
You don't know how to play, but you just turn the knob.
Fine.
Perfect?
Yep.
Take a look at it, make sure it's good.
It will.
Perfect weld, let me see. Okay. You guys starting to come together.
Okay, now I'm trying that out and do an arm.
Alright, where are your arms?
Either. Wait, no, either. Yeah.
I'll probably certainly be flashed after this video, being that I'm staring straight at the welds more or less.
That's right.
I'm not even talking to you, you just worry about your welding. And it's so windy right here. It's a little windy.
No,
Let me see. Alright, hold on, let me get you a magnet or clamp. I have him purposely by the door just so it's blowing all the fumes away, obviously. I would have him outside welding, but it's just way too windy today.
Okay, I know I'm back outside.
Hold on, let's make sure you didn't weld it to the table. Grab your pliers and make sure it didn't weld to the table. Let me move this weight for you. Good. I like how you put on your southern accent when you're working. Alright, let's see. Oh, cool. Oh, I didn't realize you welded the other arm. You didn't even have a weight on that. You did good. Alright. You got a country accent. You've been living in the country too long?
Yeah.
You're silly.
Ready?
Go ahead. We're down here at our shop in this, what we call the city. It's technically not a city. It's a suburb, but city to us. Oh, man. It is windy. So what did you choose for your eyes?
Oh, I choose EODI.
Oh, they're cool. Hey.
I did a tiny one.
Okay.
How hot was it?
The head part's not hot. Just where you weld it by the legs is really hot.
Yeah. Okay, I did this with my fire.
I'll do it.
You think
Is that your nose is too big? I don't know. It looks like my nose, right? Here we go. Well, let's put the other one first.
And good.
Thanks for the warning. You gotta give me some bit of a warning that you're starting.
Ready? Take one. Take one.
Take one, more like take one. Good. Alright, you got it.
Oh, you want to see it?
Look at that. You should be proud. He's
Oh, wait,
starting to
you
look
want to see
like...
my drawing and hold it?
Hold on, let's get his nose on first.
Yeah.
The nose goes like this. Oh shit, his arm fell off. He lost an arm. Alright, come on, put his arm back on. I'm gonna leave the pliers sitting here to hold it in place. This kid doesn't give you any kind of warning that he's gonna start. Alright, that's enough.
I did that as giant heart.
Looks pretty hot.
Yeah, so hot. It one hot, one at cat, one hot and one LA.
Oh yeah? Doesn't look that hot in real life. Okay, we're about to put on Jack's nose. Don't start until I tell you to. This is how it's done. Not yet, I'm not ready. I'll tell you that. Okay, good. It fell! Darn it, we had it perfect. A tool for digging and making trails and digging in your garden?
Yeah.
All right, sweet. I like it. It's a tire iron. It came with the car and railroad spike. Okay, go ahead. It's hard for me to hear you when you're talking. You're really putting that on there. My goodness. You see your weld. Oh, wow.
I'm not done yet. I know
Alright. Yeah, go whenever you're ready. I'm going to grind.
I gotta do some more.
Okay.
Up and down.
Jack, you want the whole thing
Up.
right? You want me to take the pan off?
Take on up.
It was supposed to go on the other side.
Go on that
Why don't you weld it on the thing so it's just this is stuck and then it's like a pickaxe you made? You gotta wait for Nick to be done grinding. You did a good job. That's hard work, isn't it? Nice. This building, oh, what am I gonna do with all this stuff? What am I gonna do with all this stuff? Oh, he's welding. where will I go with it all? The amount of wood. The amount of wood that's here is unbelievable. What do you think? What you do? Oh, you have a mouthful of gum. That's going to really be great. Here, give it to me. Thank you. So, Jack's made a couple little... This isn't his absolute first time welding. He's welded before.
I have. It is not my first time.
See, you start.
It is but you are it
Let me see. Show you a little guy here.
I just had to giant a little bit.
I'll shine it up a little bit.
Shiny.
Alright, Jack chose all the parts. He chose the nose and the mouth and the eyes, arms, right?
Yep.
Kind of looks like you a little bit. See a resemblance. Ha ha ha. Good job, buddy. Ha ha ha.
Oh my god, you're twin!
Another metal art that Nick had made a while ago. There's a little kid. It's a steel chainsaw motor. This is just an idea where Jack gets these ideas from. These aren't the best examples, but this is just a quick thing. This is Jack's first welding project he ever did. He made this little guy.